How to create a Likert scale chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Likert Scale Chart. Select the Likert Scale Chart. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Likert Scale Chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Likert Scale Chart data requirements. 1 categorical data column that contains the questions. 1 numerical data column that contains the Likert scale values. 1 numerical data column that contains the record count values. Likert Scale Chart can be created with multiple scales, that is from 2-point scale to 10-point scale. ChartExpo gives you the ability to chart multiple questions in one Likert scale chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. Numerical data column that contains the Likert scale values. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Numerical data column that contains the record count values. Important: Likert scale chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Select the Likert scale chart. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can adjust the data range by selecting the start and end rows and columns as needed. You can refresh data sheet columns. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Likert Scale Chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart properties. Click on the Scale Type section. You can change the scale type if you like. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.